I got a package. We got a package from TheProStuff Store. Let's get into it. They sent me this out of the kindness of their heart. TheProStuff, thank you. I appreciate you guys. I don't even know what they sent, so I'm excited to see. Off the rip. Multi-surface car detailer, shine and restore vinyl plastic rubber. Dope packaging. I like it. Sealed in, pretty nice too. So you know that if you're getting this shipped, it is pretty well protected. Nice, man. I actually really like this. I want to smell it. I want to smell it. Oh yeah, definitely secure. They make sure that your stuff is not going to spill when it's getting shipped, because I know I used to work at UPS. They don't handle your packages with care, my boy, I'm telling you. Bro, it smells like lotion, bro. It smells just like lotion. I low-key could put this on my body, bro. I will 100% be using this tomorrow. It says that it's a vinyl plastic rubber restorer. So I have an interior and an exterior job tomorrow, and we're gonna see what this stuff does, baby. Because as of now, A+ so far. I really like it. I like the smell, and I like the packaging. 10 out of 10 so far. Oh, and he also, premium microfiber towel. Yo, I've been slacking. I need more of these. I might need to get more of these, I'm not gonna lie. Very soft, edgeless towels, no tags on them, because it's always a pain having to take off the tags of microfibers. This is going to be a dedicated polishing towel until I get new ones. And he also sent an applicator pad. Now this one's a little bit different from the ones that I use, because I normally use like a different texture of applicator. This is all foam. I've never used a foam applicator pad, so this should be interesting. I also want to try this out. I don't know what I should do it with though. I don't know if I should do it with tire shine or if I should do it. That's perfect. I'm gonna do it with this. Duh. I'm gonna apply this with this. Who would have thought? That's probably why he put it in here. Chat, they left a letter. Much appreciated. Again, I appreciate you guys for sending this stuff out. I'm 100% gonna try this product on the next car that I do, and I'm also going to film that so that I can give you guys the results. Other than that, I appreciate you for watching. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and just use this product on my work truck, my work vehicle. As you can see, the plastics are definitely in need of some revitalizing. Door handles, again, the plastics, very faded. I did go ahead and I coated the other side of the vehicle, and I'm telling you, it's a night and day difference from that side to this side. As you guys can see, much better compared to the other side. Much better. So we're gonna go ahead and get that other side coated now. And I also went ahead and I did 1/2 of my grill. It's a night and day difference. $1,000% better. Don't mind this. Someone shot at my we're not even gonna get into that. That's a story time for another day. Makes it stand out more, makes it pop more. It looks brand new. Watch, we're gonna do this in real time. brand new door handle. Before, just gonna apply, and I haven't even used another squirt of the product. That's how little you need to make this stretch. And just like that, brand new. Guys, this product is definitely a game changer. If you guys are looking for an exterior or honestly an interior dressing for trim, I would definitely recommend this.